Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how you can block other players in chess.com if you have or have had a bad experience against another player in chess.com. Maybe they're saying mean things to you or they're just being annoying and you want to block them. It's actually quite easy. You need to sign into your account, and once you're logged in and you're in your homepage, go to your game history and choose the player that you want to block, right? So for example, this game that we had previously with another player, I'm not going to block him, but I'm going to show you how to do so. So if you hover your mouse here and click, it's either you're going to see this pop-up appear, you can click the three dots here, and you're going to have an option to block. Or if you click on the game itself and bring you to the game here, and it's going to be the same thing. You want to click on their name, like so, and the same pop-up will appear, and you want to click on the three dots again. There you go. And then click on block so that you can block the player, so that you don't need to worry about interacting with them or playing with them. So pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. See you on the next video.